drone technology is changing the world. But Part 108 is finally here. Are you ready? Future-proof your organization with Unmanned Safety Institute. Part 108 will expand the scale and reach of beyond visual line-of-sight drone operations, delivering new value across industry verticals like linear infrastructure, logistics, and agriculture. However, in order to achieve that scale, Part 108 will also call for the transfer of liability from the individual pilot to your business, which will require your company to demonstrate a robust program with trained personnel, documented safety controls, and proven technology. What does this mean? It means you need a standards-based training solution you can count on, a solution built to reduce your risk and liability, to scale your UAS operations, and to maximize your ROI. You need USI, a trusted brand and recognized leader in the industry for over a decade, with a proven track record of organizational excellence from startup to scale. The first and only ASTM-approved training provider for UAS, USI generates meaningful results and will prepare your team to keep pace with Part 108's emerging expectations. USI helps to facilitate the alignment of your people, operations, and technology by providing the training, professional development, and certification pathways you need to build a confident team who's prepared to conquer the complexities of tomorrow's drone operations. Part 108 is coming. Stay ahead of the curve and build a safer, smarter, and scalable UAS program with USI, your trusted partner in UAS operational excellence.